Order filled.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. You're back at it, and obviously I'm already in the trade, looking at things, looking at price, pushing its way back up. So I decided to take a trade at 40.21, knowing that price is going to get back to 40.25. Today is May 5th. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Think I got that right. But yeah, we're taking an early one today off the cuffs. So let's hang back and allow this one to develop and play out. All right, y'all. So off the rip, we took our first trade on the day, and it was a successful trade. So that's how we started the Friday off for the quick one. What made me take that trade, right? I'm sitting here looking at it. Obviously, coming in, we had a decent move up all overnight. Asian session, the Europe session, coming into the US session, we were up. And I could show you that better here on this 25 volume chart. I'll go back since the session opened. The Asia session opened. We were down here at let's call it 40.77, and we just kept moving up. We just kept moving up. Data dropped at like 8:30 this morning. More of like a consolidation move, and then we went right back up coming into the 9 o'clock hour. All right. So we had that. I saw a lot of buying, healthy buying going on. On the 5 minute chart, what did I eyeball? I saw something on the 5 minute. Yeah, at 9:15 on this candle here, I saw we had a possibility to keep going up. And obviously, when this candle just closed, I saw the same possibility of keep going up. So I know once this candle closed, I was more confident I'm gonna get a full fill on this move up. I probably should have just kept taking another trade off of 25 to take it to 30, but I honestly don't like that because I'm looking at how it was wicking. Just looking at my trading view setup that I have on the 20 minute, and by the time we get to about like 41.27, let's call it 41.28, we had a crazy wick. The wick ran up to about like from 40.28 to 41.34. So I didn't want to be caught in a potential trade between 28 to I was looking at just 28 to 30 because I know we have a 1 hour support. We have a 4 hour support between we have a 4 hour support at 41.33 and a quarter. So I don't want to take no trades going to this area because I know not that it won't play out, but it's probably going to struggle. So took the first one, played it safe. So that one worked out. We're up on the day one by one trade, and typically I look for two trades every day. So I'm gonna hang back, allow price to continue to develop, allow our setups to show itself before we execute again. All right, y'all. So earlier we mentioned about a potential why I wouldn't take another trade from 25 to 30 because I'm seeing a lot of wicks and I didn't want to sit through no chop, right? And as you can see what's happening right now on this 5-minute chart, just they were trying to push up. We got close to 41.29, but look at price now having a decent little pullback, healthy little pullback. What I'm looking to, you would have seen a little bit earlier, I drew a level right here between 41.22 and let's say 41.22 and a half, right? I'm looking for shorts underneath that. If price get back below 41.22 and holds below 41.22, that's where I'm looking to take a short trade at. So if this trade keeps coming back down, price action keep coming down, we're looking to get short as long as we see prices holding below 22 and stats is supporting that short at that point in time. So we're not going to put a short on right away. We're going to allow price to show us that it's really, looking to come down. And then we'll take that short. Because I'm still seeing the potential where they can turn this thing back around and keep climbing. So we're just going to play it safe. We're already up on the day one trade. So we're going to take our time with the second trade to make sure we get it right. So that's kind of like what I'm eyeballing. What I'm seeing as of right now, it is 9:53. And we'll just hang back again and just wait. All right, y'all. So I was initially looking to get short at under 40 at 40.20. I saw price reversed. I did still like the continuation, but I know we could struggle up. So I took a trade at 40.30, looking at price to get back to obviously 41.35. But we're struggling here. This is where we struggled earlier, where we had this decent little reversal. But price is still looking positive, so I decided to take this trade. Hopefully I made the right decision, but we'll see here shortly as price pulls all the way back. So let's allow price to develop and see how this one will play out. All right, y'all. So you would have saw that I manually stepped in and moved my stop up to break even. I'm up on the day. I know we have a 4-hour support somewhere between 32 and 33. And I don't want to risk price pulling back hard on me and taking the loss. So I just put myself to break even on this trade. If price pull all the way back, I'm fine with being stopped out. Even if it pulls back and it keeps going up, it was meant to be. That's how I like to look at things. So I'm up on the day. I'm just trying to secure that as much as possible versus allowing price to come all the way back. You would have remembered earlier I said, I know in this area we have a lot of wicking and I don't want to chance too much. So although I took the trade at 41.30, I'm just securing it a little bit more by making the move to manually move my stop up to break even obviously once price still get to 41.34, it's going to move up by 2 ticks and lock me in, and then I'll just let it be undo. Does this? I will allow the ATM strategy to do its own thing at that point in time, and take control back of the trade. So until then, let's hang back and see what price do. All right, y'all. So that one went perfectly. I want to say when we got in the trade, we had some potential drawdowns on the trade. Yeah, we had a drawdown when we got in the trade, but eventually price got to 35. I don't know what to say on that one, right? We saw the setups. I saw we still had some potential continuation to keep going up. Back here, and then right here we had diversions. So once we made this U-turn and I saw this heavy Delta SL print versus the SH, I felt comfortable, taking it at 41.30 with price getting back to 35. But knowing that we running into traffic to the top. But all in all, today was a really good day. Back-to-back wins. Nothing crazy, just trusting what I saw and executing based on everything that's going on around me. I'm going to call it for a day. The time is now 10:10. And it's a, quick back-to-back win on micro ES. If I was trading E-minis, which is S&P 500 E-mini futures, this would have been a $500 day. So when you're looking at $50, you're like, it's only $50. But think about it as you start scaling, and then you slowly graduate to trading E-minis from micros, because micros is 1/10 of the size of E-minis. Okay, so it's slowly building your confidence and slowly getting to that right place, right? So we're just being as organic as possible and just sharing our thoughts and our flow on how we're looking to accomplish things. So until next time, it's Friday. We'll be back at it next week, Monday. So until then, stay blessed, hang with the best. Enjoy your weekend, y'all.